Welcome to the second in a series of training videos about the warrants. This video provides information on how to get started with the subscription and training process. This video explains how to submit the warrants user agreement for your organization, how to obtain your online user ID and training links, and how to set your permanent password. These steps are necessary for accessing and using the warrants and the PSSO system. The warrants user agreement needs to be signed by an individual who has the power and the authority to bind your organization to such an agreement. The user agreement contains information on the warranties to WSU, payment and subscription fees, permitted and prohibited use of the assessment, consent, confidentiality, and additional legal details. A quick note on confidentiality. Student assessment responses and results should be kept confidential. You may, however, share your students' results with other staff in your organization who may need to know those results as part of your effort to address truancy issues. You may also share these results as needed in order to comply with the law or court order. Concerning the consent for the warrants, the administration of the warrants is voluntary and students cannot be forced to respond. Written consent, however, is not needed to assess a student as part of our effort to address the truancy mandate in Washington state law. It is strongly recommended that you notify your students' parents and guardians, and that you consistently follow your organization's protocol for administrating the assessments. After signing and returning your warrants user agreement to WSU, you'll be contacted to schedule a 30-minute phone training. Before this training, we will define your user ID in the system, send you web links to access the warrants and PSSO online. You will receive an email in our system that looks something like this. You will then follow the instructions on the email by clicking the link and using the temporary password to log on for the first time. At this point, the system will prompt you to change your password. You will be then ready for your 30-minute phone training. Thank you for listening, and please join us next for the video Logging On to the Online Warrants Assessment.